Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a citrusy adventure with a super special ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen. That's right, we're talking about the amazing orange. We all know oranges are delicious and a great source of vitamin C, but did you know they also have a ton of surprising beauty and health benefits too? Get ready to learn some awesome DIY recipes and hacks that will have you saying, "Orange, you glad I learned that?" Get ready for some zesty fun as we transform this humble fruit into amazing things for your skin, hair, and overall wellness. Let's get started. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing and unique ways to use oranges for your health and beauty routine. Stay tuned. First up, let's give our skin a little love with an all-natural, super easy face scrub. Don't throw away those orange peels. We're going to use them to create a gentle exfoliating scrub that will leave your skin feeling amazing. Simply take a few orange peels and let them dry out completely. Once they're dry, you can grind them into a fine powder using a food processor or blender. And that's it. You can store the powder in an airtight container for later. When you're ready to use it, just mix a spoonful of the powder with a bit of water or your favorite face wash to create a paste. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Hello, smooth skin. Next up is a hair treatment that will make your locks shine brighter than the sun. We're going to whip up a vitamin C-rich hair mask using another part of the orange we don't always think about: freshly squeezed orange juice. Orange juice isn't just delicious, it's also packed with vitamins and nutrients that can help strengthen hair follicles and add shine. For this mask, you'll need about half a cup of fresh orange juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Simply mix the two ingredients together until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Your hair will thank you for the extra love. Chapter 3. Bath time just got a whole lot more fun. Who doesn't love a relaxing bath? We're about to take your bath game to a whole new level with these DIY orange zest bath bombs. They're super easy to make, and they smell amazing. First, you'll need to zest a few oranges to get about a tablespoon of orange zest. Then, in a bowl, combine 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and your orange zest. Slowly add in a few tablespoons of water, mixing constantly until the mixture starts to clump together. You want it to be moldable but not too wet. Pack the mixture tightly into molds and let them dry completely before using them in your next bath. Chapter 4. Hydration never tasted so good. We all know staying hydrated is super important, but sometimes plain water can get a little boring. That's where this refreshing orange-infused water comes in. It's a delicious and healthy way to up your water intake. Simply slice up an orange and add the slices to a pitcher of cold water. You can also add other fruits like lemons, limes, or cucumbers for an extra flavor boost. Let the fruit infuse in the water for at least 30 minutes in the fridge before drinking. You can even add some fresh mint leaves or a sprig of rosemary for an extra refreshing twist. Cheers to staying hydrated. Chapter 5. Orange, you relaxed already. Last but not least, let's talk about aromatherapy. Orange essential oil has a wonderfully uplifting and calming scent that can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. You can add a few drops of orange essential oil to a diffuser to enjoy its mood-boosting benefits. Or, for a more personal experience, add a couple of drops to a warm bath or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil for a relaxing massage. And there you have it. Who knew oranges were so versatile? From skincare to aromatherapy, this citrusy fruit is a true multitasking superstar. Thanks so much for joining me on this orange-tastic adventure. I hope you learned some fun and creative ways to incorporate this amazing fruit into your daily routine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY fun. What's your favorite way to use oranges? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. See you next time.